PSLE 2023 Paper 2 Question 12. The figure shows 6 circles, each of radius 7 cm. Each circle touches the circles next to it. Take pi equals to 22/7. Part A, find the perimeter of the shaded part. Okay, now let's do this. Perimeter of the shaded part. Let's divide each circle into 4 parts. Right? Let's count the number of quarters. Okay, 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 4 quarter, 5 quarter, 6 quarter, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so there are now 12 quarters. 12 quarter of a circle, which means 3 full circles. Now, how do we find diameter? How do we find circumference of each circle? Equals to pi d, and d is pi. D is 7 times 2 equals to 14 pi. This is circumference of each circle. To find the perimeter of the shaded part, we are looking for 3 full circles. So, perimeter of shaded part equals to 3 times 14 pi. That will give us 42 pi. Now let's solve for 6.132 centimeter. Okay, this is your answer for part A, 132 centimeter. Now let's go to part B. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, I'm going to remove this. As usual, we are going to split the circles into 4 parts, 4 quarters, right? Area of the shaded part. Now, before we go there, let's take a look at the rectangle inside. If I have to extract the rectangle, can you see that the width is 7 and 7, which means the width is 14 centimeter. And the length is 4 times 7, 28. Alright, so area of rectangle equals to 14 times 28, and that will give us 392 cm square. But if you look closer within the rectangle, we have 1 quarter here, 2 quarter here, 1 quarter here, which add up to 1 full circle that's unshaded. So let's calculate area of 1 circle equals to pi r, which is radius 7 square. It's 49 pi. Area of shaded area inside rectangle. Okay, let's be clear here. is only referring to the shaded area inside the rectangle, not all the shaded areas. Alright, so this is, sorry, let's solve for 49 pi, which is 49 times 22 over 7. $154. So we have 392 minus 154, and that will give us 238 cm squared. Now we have to add the shaded area that's outside the rectangle, which are these parts here. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6, 7/4, 8/4. Alright, 8/4 will make 2 full circles. So area of shaded part is equals to 2 times 154, which is the area of one circle, alright, plus the shaded part that's inside the rectangle, which is 238. This will give us 308 plus 238. This will work out to 546 cm squared. Alright, this is our final answer.